In this video, I'm going to show you an Amazon affiliate marketing method which can generate you up to $300 per day. Now, the best part about this is it's completely free, and I'm going to sit here on my computer and show you how you can do this step by step without leaving any steps missed out. Now, just a warning, this video might be a little bit long, but it's going to be packed with value, and I'm going to give you essentially a full training video here completely for free. I'm not going to skim over the most important parts and the parts that you really need to understand, like a lot of Make Money Online videos. So if you're ready for a full training video, which is going to teach you how you can earn up to $300 per day with Amazon affiliate marketing, then here it is. So welcome to the tutorial. You made it past the intro, which means you're actually interested in watching this whole thing and taking action. So we're going to be making money here today with the Amazon Associates program. Now you can go to Google and just type in Amazon Associates, and this page will be the first one. Now what you can do is you can recommend products and earn commissions. Now I'm not going to explain Amazon Associates because I'm sure if you've already clicked on this video, you already know what it is. You can then go and sign up for free and create a free account. Now once you've created your account on the Amazon Associates program, you can recommend products and earn a commission. Now this video is going to show you how you can send targeted traffic, thousands of people, to your affiliate links so you can start to earn commissions and get these big commissions and make big paydays with Amazon affiliate. So the first thing I'm going to do is sign into my Amazon Associates account. Okay, so once I've signed up for my Amazon Associates account, I'm then going to have this Amazon Associates site stripe bar at the top here. And this allows me to grab my affiliate links. Now, when we're promoting Amazon affiliate links, what we really need is a niche and a method to drive traffic throughout that niche. Now, the niche that I'm going to explain in this video is going to be the travel and backpacking niche. Now, you can choose a new niche, or you can simply follow my traffic source as well as my niche, and you can just do exactly as I do. Now, we're also going to be using, as well as the Amazon Associates program, we're also going to be using a website called kit.co. Now, Kit is essentially a free landing page builder, which is unique to Amazon affiliate, where you can essentially plug in different Amazon affiliate products and you can create a landing page. So if we go ahead and just look at an already existing landing page. So this is a film and editing equipment landing page with different links to products in the film and editing niche. And the reason that I chose backpacking and traveling and like the backpacking and traveling niche is because we can create a page like this, which is unique to backpacking and traveling and solo traveling, and we can recommend different products for that. Backpacking and solo traveling is really, as well, an unsaturated niche, and we can drive a lot of free traffic to this page. Now, how this works is you need to sign up for a free account, and then you can add your affiliate links and images, and then say I wanted to buy this Canon camera. If someone was to click on it, they could then buy it on Amazon, and then that will redirect to Amazon. So here it is on Amazon, and if we were to buy it, this person here would earn a commission. So we're going to go ahead and sign up for an account on Kit. So you can sign up with any of these. You can sign up with email. For me though, I already have an account, I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to just sign in. Okay, so here is my Kit profile now. I've got a couple of kits which I've created before, but we're going to go ahead and create a new kit. So if you go to the top right hand corner, you can then go to create a new kit. And I'm going to call this kit something around solo travel, like solo travel essentials maybe. Travel trip. Then we can go ahead and click next, and we can now start to create our kit. Now there are two ways that you can do this. You can add your products kind of like automatically, or you can paste in your affiliate links manually. Now you might be saying, well, what products can I put inside of my kit? And that's where we're going to be using ChatGPT. So if you go ahead and go to ChatGPT, which is a free AI tool, which I'm sure most of you are aware of, you can then try ChatGPT and use it for free. So now I have this command which I'm going to ask ChatGPT. This command is list 10 key things I need to buy on Amazon to go solo traveling. And I just put around Asia because a lot of people usually go backpacking and solo traveling around Asia, so it kind of makes sense. So we'll enter in here, and ChatGPT should then give us 10 things that we need to buy. Now, it's not exactly giving us products, so I'm going to ask it for products in a second. I'm going to say now, can you recommend 10 products? And now we are getting product names, which we can go ahead and add to our kit. So we're going to need a backpack, obviously. So we're going to use ChatGPT's recommendation, copy this backpack. Now we can go to Amazon and paste in this backpack name. And I think this is the backpack that ChatGPT's recommended. So we'll grab this 40-litre one, which looks like it's good for backpacking. It's $184, so we'll get a pretty good commission on that. And it looks like this one is out of stock, but we might want to, like, if we're dead set on this product, we might want to just link it anyway, because they might just scroll down here and buy another one, and we're still going to get the commission. So once we've signed into Amazon Associate, we can get the link for this, so get a text link, and then you can go ahead and copy your affiliate link. Now if you go back to Kit, we can just paste in our affiliate link here, click on Go, and it should now find this product here. For some reason it's not finding it, so I'm going to just choose another product. I think because it's out of stock, it's messing up Kit. So we're going to go with this one here, which is a different product, which is $76, so still a decent commission on this. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the text link here, and then we can copy this link. Now if we go back to Kit, I can then paste in this link, and it should then work this time. And there you go, it now recognized the product, and we're just going to get rid of any unnecessary keywords, then add to Kit. Okay, so now we've added the product. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and add another one. I'll do one more, and then I won't bore you with just adding the products because it is kind of the same. So we'll copy this link, this product, sorry. We'll go ahead and paste it into Amazon. And there you go, I think this is the product. My Amazon's being a bit slow. Okay, so here is what our kit is looking like so far. So you've got 2 products added. And obviously you can go ahead and fill these out because obviously you want maybe 10 products. But you can also add a cover image or video. Videos work well because obviously videos people can play. You can also upload photos. Let's go ahead and add a video from YouTube. And what I've done here is I've just searched for solo travel inspiration. And I guess we can just go ahead and copy the link to one of these. And it really doesn't matter what video. Maybe this one is better by National Geographic because it's got no one's face in it. We can then go ahead and paste in this video. And there you go, you've now got this video added. Again, you can also add a photo if you don't like how the video looks. But what you can do is you can start to build out your kit profile and add up to 10 products that ChatGPT's recommended here. Obviously, you need to go through all of these and add them individually. Now what we need to do is send targeted traffic to our kit profile. So obviously there are loads of different methods that you can use to send free targeted traffic. But traffic is something that people get really confused by. They overthink it and they really don't know how to get traffic. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to show you a free method, which anyone that's watching this right now can do, which has the potential to send like tens of thousands of free targeted traffic every single day. So right now I'm on Instagram and I'm on a new account. And if I go ahead and search for hashtag solo travel, we can see all of these different posts about solo travel. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create some solo travel reels. Now I don't know what this is a new account, so these are going to be really random reels. But we're going to create short, simple solo travel reels. So here's an example of the kind of reel that we're going to create.
The best thing about solo travel is traveling solo means getting to know the real you.
So you can see it's kind of like a motivational, inspirational quote to kind of like push someone to go and solo travel. So we're going to create these Instagram reels and we're going to create them in canva.com. Now Canva's a free kind of like photo and video editing website where you can use it to create free reels. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and search here, and I'm just going to search for TikTok. Now you want the dimensions of a TikTok or a YouTube short. Now you can type in like Instagram reels, but there aren't going to be many templates. Now you've got 2 options here, right? You can go ahead and choose a template. So this is kind of like a travel reel, or you can go ahead and create a blank video. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a blank video so you can understand Canva, you can understand how to use it, and you can easily create these videos from scratch in like 5 minutes. So within an hour, you can create so many of these Instagram reels and you can have them all going live onto your Instagram page, which I'll show you how to do in a second. So go ahead and click on create a blank TikTok video. And it doesn't matter if you've searched in on Canva, TikTok video, YouTube shorts, or Instagram reel, they're all the same dimensions. So once we're here, we can now edit this reel. Now here at the bottom, you've got the timeline. So we're going to have to get some videos, and I'll show you how you can get free videos in a second. You can then add elements like, well, you can add these elements and graphics here. You can type out text, you can upload different media. So let's start and create our reel. Now first we kind of need a quote, like a solo travel quote. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're just going to search for solo travel inspiration or solo travel quotes, doesn't really matter. And here you got 100 most inspiring solo travel quotes. That one's not loading. Let's try this one. And what we're doing here is we're just trying to find a good quote that we can put on a reel. So we'll find one here that we like. So we'll choose this one here. You must go on adventures to find out where you belong. So we'll copy this. Then we'll go ahead and go back to Canva. And we can use this as a starting point for our reel. So we'll go to text, we can then add a heading, and I'll paste in this quote. Okay, so now we've got our text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a bit bigger, and you can edit all of the text up here, look. And I'm just going to change the font to something a bit more stylish. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a video which represents solo travel and travel in general. Then I'll show you how you can get a voice, like a voice to narrate this text. And I'll show you how you can add background music to it so you can make it all like inspirational. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google again and we're going to type in now something like free videos. And then we can scroll down and we can go ahead and open one of these, like Pixabay is good. What else have we got here? We've got loads here. I'm actually just going to switch over to pexels.com here and I'm going to do the same search, solo travel. And you can go ahead and use pexels.com as well. So now we've got 15,000 videos of solo travel. So let's go ahead and just grab the first one. Obviously, you can go ahead and find a better one. Maybe you want to find one with a beach. I don't know. It depends on your quote, really. So click on this download button and you can use this for free, royalty free, without crediting the owner. So once this is downloaded, go to Canva and you can upload this. So just drag it on. So upload your file, drag this on here, and you can see it's now uploading. And you can see it's kind of like an artsy shot here of someone running through the hills. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the text, highlight it all, and I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, so now we've got that as white. I'm going to also center this, and Canva is going to tell you where the center is. So there you go. Or maybe we can put this up the top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text. And again, you can play around with this depending on your quote and your reel. I can go to animate and I can animate this text here. So we can get it to rise. And if we play it now, it's going to rise. You must go on adventures to find out where you belong. And obviously, we'll bring this length down a bit and I'll bring the text up a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get someone to narrate this. So I'm going to copy this. And there are different options that you can use. But I use voicemaker.in for my text-to-speech and narration because it's a free option. And you can see I used it for the example reel. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in our text. You must go on adventures to find out where you belong. Now if I scroll down here, you can choose a voice. Now solo travel reels are aimed at females, so bear that in mind when you're choosing the voice. I'll choose Kimberly. And you can mess around with some settings here, which you know, I'm not going to do for the video, but you can do. I'm then going to convert it to speech, and we'll just give it a listen in a second.
You must go on adventures to find out where you belong.
That sounds all right. So we'll click download MP3, and once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and drag this onto Canva. So drag it in the same place as your video, and you can see it's now uploading to the audio section. So now we can drag this on. So now let's play our reel.
You must go on adventures to find out where you belong.
Now, one more thing that you might want to do, you might want to add like a background instrumental. So if you go to Google again, maybe you want to type in like free audio, free like background music. You can then choose one of these. So I'm on this website here. We can then, maybe we want cinematic or not cinematic. Maybe we want like calm. Okay, so this is all right. We can now download this. Click free download. So here it is. And again, you know, this is very simple stuff, but you just have to be patient. So what I've done is I've just dragged it onto Canva. And one thing I do want to make clear, the more time that you spend on this reel, the more time that you put into it to make it a better, high quality reel, the better it's going to do in the algorithm. And more people are then going to convert into followers on Instagram and click on your link that you're going to put in the bio, which remember, is going to be your kit link. Sorry, that's not the right one. Your kit link. So you want as many people to see this reel as possible so they go to your kit link and check out the products that you have to offer. So we'll drag in this music here. Okay, so here is the music. So we can customize this, but I'm just going to play it and hope that it sounds good. I do actually need to turn down this audio a little bit. So if we click on this, we can go to adjust. I'm pretty sure you can turn it down somehow. Yeah, so if you right click on it, go to volume. I'm going to turn the music volume down a little bit. So let's play it.
You must go on adventures to find out where you belong.
Tell me that isn't a good reel. That is a great Instagram reel, and I've just created this literally live on camera. So now we're going to go to share in the top right hand corner. We're going to go to download, and we'll download this as an MP4 format. I'm actually really proud of this reel, by the way.
You must go on adventures to find out where you belong.
If you're getting value from this, make sure you do leave a like and just comment down below so we can push this video further out into the algorithm. Okay, so now we've got our reel downloaded. Now we can go ahead and go to Instagram. And what we need to do is we need to create an Instagram profile about based around travel. So I've called it Travel Solo Today. Now, again, you can go ahead and add a profile picture, which I do recommend. So maybe I just go to Google and just type in beach. I don't know. You can really add anything. Then if we go to Instagram, we can edit this profile and we can start to get this profile looking good. So change profile picture. I'm going to add this picture of the beach. Now you can also edit your bio. Now if we go to search on Instagram, we just search for like travel and we can see what everyone else is doing. So you've got like, I don't know, travel and leisure Asia. So you can take inspiration of what people are putting in their bios. You can see people are using emojis, which you can add as well. And they're getting their emojis. If you just type in emoji on Google, you can go to getemoji.com and use all of these emojis here. So I'll just type in travel. Okay, so now, yeah, so aeroplane. We'll copy an aeroplane. We'll then go to edit profile. And then we'll go ahead and submit this. Now we can go to apps and websites. And I guess we have to do this in Account Center now because it's linked with Meta. Now what I'm going to do as well is switch to a professional account, and I think this will make it easier. Okay, so now I've done that. Now I can go ahead and add the website. Now for some reason, I don't know why Instagram changed it. It wasn't like this before. You can only edit the links on mobile. So I've gone ahead and added this link on my mobile. You can do that too. It's not too difficult. Just go ahead and grab the link and then obviously go into your mobile app on Instagram. So now I'm going to go back to edit profile. I'm just going to tell people what that link is. So because the link will below this bio, I might want to say solo travel essentials. Anyway, I don't know why it looks like that, but you get the point, right? We're telling people that the solo travel essentials are here and they can click on this link and it will go to the kit profile that we've created here. And if they buy, obviously we will earn a commission. Now let's upload our reel. So now we go ahead and go to share your first photo. Select from computer, and you can go ahead and upload your reel that you've downloaded from Canva. And you can choose to, upload this on your computer, or you can choose to do it on Instagram. Make sure you're doing it as 9 by 16 here. Make sure you're uploading it as 9 by 16. Then go next. Next again. You can write a caption, so I'll just paste in the caption that we used. You must go on adventures to find out where you belong. Then click share. And now you're publishing this reel. Okay, so now you've got your travel page coming together and you can create these reels and people are going to check out your profile and click on your kit.com link. And if they buy some of these items here or anything on Amazon after clicking on your link, you will get a commission. Let's just take a look at the reel.
You must go on adventures to find out where you belong.
And people are going to discover this reel when they're scrolling through the Reels tab on Instagram.com. So there you go, your reel will pop up here within all of these other reels. So go and create more of these reels for all of these different quotes. I hope that video helped you out and hope it was valuable. My camera's died, but let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful. And watch this video here if it also does interest you.